Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and OneDriveSetup.exe is facing some issues like entry point not found error in Windows 10 and 11 both. So firstly guys, click to start and go to setting, scroll down, Windows update. So guys, you have to firstly check your Windows up to date or not. If you are not up to date, so firstly download the update and then install, then restart and then try. That is the first options. Then second, close, again click to start, go to setting, click to app, install app, find OneDrive. Otherwise you can search OneDrive. Okay, then click to three tab. You can uninstall. Yes. Okay, then close, then Windows R and type percentage temp percentage, then okay. So that is your temp file which is which is not required for the system. So select all and shift delete, permanently delete. Check this and continue. How many size? Almost 327 MB. Okay, check and then click to skip. Close this. Oops, click to start and type Microsoft Store. Okay, open this. So one more method is pending. If your Microsoft Store is working very slow and net not opening, so you can download from your uh, Chrome browser. Download OneDrive from the Google like this. Download OneDrive for business Windows. Scroll down. You can select any officially site and like this. This is already. Then click to install. Okay. Then guys, next and last and final, um, run sfc and DISM command to run to your system. So next step is,
then guys click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.